What's up, guys? So just finished the install of the Audexen LED lights. They reached out to me and wanted to know if I wanted to test out their headlamps, so I said sure. So they sent these out to me for free. But yeah, I think they look pretty cool. So these are their 7-inch versions. They do sell a 9-inch version. The JLs come with a 9-inch headlamp. So I didn't really like the style of the 9-inch. I like the style of the 7-inch a little bit more. So just so you know, you can get the 9-inch version. So they sent the headlight and then the adapter bracket to make the 7-inch headlights fit into a JL. Yeah, so far I think they look really cool. Kind of getting used to them. They almost look like on the TJ here. TJ's got that, you know, black trim ring around there, and almost has that similar look, which is kind of neat. But I'll show you guys what they look like illuminated here. So here they are on. I did not wire them up to be a daytime running light. I might do that. It's pretty simple. It's already pre-wired, and you just have to do a wiring. Just send that daytime running light wire to the fuse box. So we might do that. I don't necessarily think it's super necessary, but we might do that if we kind of feel like it. But they're really cool. They almost remind me of a stock LED light upgrade for the JLs in the Gladiators. So definitely think they look pretty neat. But yeah, I think they look really nice in the Gladiator. Definitely better than the Stalkers. You know, not very nice looking. So, but yeah, so I'll let you guys know kind of how these guys perform over time. But I will put a link in the description to these lights, to their Amazon page if you guys want to pick a set up. But yeah, so anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video.